welcome to our life in the Philippines. And also to my vlog, What's Up on Up TV.
Yeah, we're doing a dual vlog today. So
yeah, I can do any vlog on my channel because I'm using my phone for my speedometer, so I can track my steps and calories or how many miles I walk. So that's why.
yeah, so we're gonna walk. We are actually up here in the what do you call it, Clark's, is it Memorial Park? What is it? I always forget. Me and names, guys, does not, yeah, something like that. But me and names doesn't go together. You asked me what phone number I had when I was 10 years old, I remember it. My first bank account number, I remember it. But names, I cannot remember. So that's how that works. So anyway, wherever we are, up here in Clark, we are taking a little walk around.
Yeah, so Shell need to answer the phone. So I'm the one who take over the vlog today while I'm walking.
Okay.
Ayan, so this is it. So in the night in this area there is a bazaar, like food something. They're selling food over here in that area, like Korean food, something, samgyeopsal. So yeah, we're walking today. So we decide to walk to make it make it healthy, make your body healthy, walking in this area. Oh, Shell is still on the phone, so I guess I need to wait for him. But this place is so nice. This is the children park, that area, children park. So I need to sit down for a little bit while I'm waiting for my partner. It's so nice here. It's not a lot of people over here, but on Saturday, Sunday, there's a lot of people here. They spend their family together. So today, not much, and it's good. Yeah. Shell is over there, just talking.
Is that contract signed by me?
Yeah, just talking. So I need to go. I'm starting my walking. Okay, let's go. Oh, wow, it's nice. They have organized garbage here. Hey! You didn't notice that I'm sitting on the bench?
I was on the phone.
Oh my!
All right, so where were we? We were talking about
I don't know I forgot the...
we were talking about me and names, remembering names, right?
Yeah, but there's a ground.
Yeah, there's some grounds here. But anyway, this is it here. CDC grounds. So you know, we've done this before. But this is the municipality buildings, and I think some military complex for the old ones and for the old times, Second World War and all that stuff, and historical stuff. Officer stationed at Fort Riley, 1942. So there's some history here from the Second World War as well, since, you know, we all know that the what do you call it, Filipinos were heavily involved in that war against the Japanese. MacArthur was fighting here too. So anyway, that's it. It's a beautiful afternoon though. It's about 5 o'clock, I think.
Yeah, when is the last time we came here?
Yeah, we kind of were here. We kind of were here
before. No, not before.
yeah, 3 months ago, 4 months ago maybe. And then you know, with the new lockdown that came there in March, we kind of stopped going here. That was March 15, something like that. And since then we've been kind of sitting at home. That's it. We haven't done much. The trees are, the leaves are falling off the trees. It's a lot of leaves on the ground. Yeah, so I'm wondering what they did here. Well, now they're coming in parking. We came around here on the motovlog, and when we
put the no entry sign on the,
yeah, there's a no entry sign there, so we didn't want to go in, but I guess they're coming in parking here now, so we could probably have done that, right? Rubberized jogging path, restrictions on the path. Strollers, skateboards are restricted. Rollerblades, bicycles, or any wheeled equipment. Leather shoes, spike shoes, or similar items, and pets are prohibited. Okay.
rubber shoes.
Rubber shoes.
Rubber shoes.
Spike shoes. Spike rubber shoes.
What
With spikes. Running, you know, there's some exercise equipment, shoes and stuff. They have
so
spikes in them,
and so you're not allowed to wear any slippers.
No, because that will tear up the rubber mat.
Oh, this is a rubber.
Yeah, this is a rubber mat.
Oh,
They rolled it out all the way down. I can't remember. What was it? It was about 3 kilometers all the way around, right?
yeah.
So it's about what, 2,500 steps in one round. Yeah.
It depends if your apps is accurate.
Yeah. It depends on the accuracy of the app.
Yeah.
That is correct.
So as you notice, there's a Philippine flag every corner on the area.
Yeah. It's Philippine flag all over the place.
Yeah. I think our ano is gonna be soon. We call it Araw ng Kagitingan. It's something a hero something.
Not GoPro hero?
No.
Not GoPro hero. Alright.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, that was the all that you see over here, right?
Yeah.
Let's see. You see all that? The road is kind of tore up.
What happened? This is a storm?
Yeah, that was remember the storm we had?
Yeah. You mean the other day?
Yeah. No, not the other day.
Last month?
No, yeah, we had one in December, remember?
Yeah. The super typhoon?
Yeah, it was a super typhoon. We didn't get the super typhoon, but
yeah,
it ripped up everything. But it's a beautiful park. Look how dry it looks though. The grass is brown, 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 brown. Last time we were up here, it was nice and green.
Yeah. No, it's not.
Well, I think that's because
No rain.
no rain for a long, long time.
Yeah. I need to drink water. Because it's
Next bench we stop.
because it's 100 plus steps now. I know it's 1,000 steps now. So I need to drink water because my throat is so dry. So we need to sit down on the bench to sip water. To sip water. I mean sip, not zip.
Alright, so now we're down, all the way down at the other end of this whole thing. And right down there is the Public Safety Department. And you know, it looks funny over there. It's some apartments. Security Service Corporation. It looks like apartment. It looks like the buildings were never completed. But anyway, down here on this end of the whole thing here, you have some restaurants and some other things. And if you walk down on the other side down there, you got some steakhouse, and you have some other good things. Garmin has a store there. That's funny, Garmin. I remember my GPS Garmins and all that stuff for the ocean. Bikes and coffee shop, and then you have Pola Parade, Resto, Grill, Bar, Cafe up here, and Clark Museum on the other side, right there, over there. But otherwise, you know, this park is really nice. And one of the things is, now granted the sun is about to go down, you can see it between the trees up there, but what's happening is that you walk here, you actually get a lot of shade. So almost all the way around you're walking in shadow, or semi shadows, which makes the walks really, really nice. So it's pretty cool. Janice is going ahead of me. I'm trying to catch up with her. So alright, so now we are down here on the other side, and here you got a bunch of older buildings. You guys, that were BAM houses, barn houses, and I don't know exactly all what these are, but these are buildings that are leftovers from the times when the United States was here, I bet. So there's some restaurants up here too. Some other restaurants. I actually went in here to one of the places up here, sat down and had a really nice little sandwich.
So I already reached the 3,000 steps.
You reached 3,000 steps?
Yeah.
Wow. How much were you walking last time you were walking here?
I don't know. I forgot.
No, but that was like 8,000 or 9,000, right?
Yeah, 8 rounds.
Yeah, so it's 3,000 steps. Pretty much around 3,000 steps around this whole thing.
I told you it depends on the apps you're using for.
Yeah, Yeah, your app doesn't seem to be
It's not accurate.
too accurate. I remember last time it was showing about 2,700 per round.
Yeah.
But that was the phone you gave to me, right?
Yes.
So I guess those apps are not 100% accurate, but they are pretty darn good, because I actually, what do you call it? I actually checked it out on the map and stretched it out. So yeah, one of the other things here in this park during COVID, they have pretty much built public restrooms around this whole thing. That's one thing that is amazing with me. They have given their people 25 kilo rice, 6,000 pesos in our neighborhood, maybe once for the rice and twice for the pesos. Keep in mind that's $300. When you're talking about U.S. people and getting $1,400 checks, $600 checks, and people are earning more on unemployment, staying home than going to work, you know, that's pretty interesting. Here, there is no such safety net for anybody, and these people have been suffering through this whole thing. You know, if they didn't have help from family, friends overseas, as many as are still overseas, I think the OFWs, you know, many of them come home, or the majority of them probably came home. So all that has caused a lot of problems here lately, and I can see the desperation in a lot of people. No work, no nothing. So that's what I'm talking about. We don't think, or we don't know, let's put it that way, we don't know how well we have it in the United States, and for that matter, Sweden, Europe, any Western world country, we have it a lot better than they do have here, for sure. And if it wasn't for us having our pension and some incomes from overseas, we wouldn't be able to survive here either. But we're doing it because, you know, the cost of living here compared to the United States is probably 50% or less. So, you know, anyway, I was talking about the public restrooms, right? There's only one way back there in the corner, and this one has been coming out renovated, or total renovated. I mean, they were locked off here for a long time. There's one here, there's one further up, so they have like 3 or 4 of them around here now. So it's a nice little walk, guys, and we're gonna continue. All right, so this will be a little different. This will be a different little vlog, because we are going to exercise. We're going to try at least.
I can't.
Oh yeah, you have.
I wish I have 3 hands.
Yeah.
I can.
But it's beautiful. Anyway, so we are here at the CDC grounds, and I'll hope you enjoyed the little walk around. It's not much, but we also offered you a little bit of motovlog in the beginning of this video. So we are gonna say bye-bye for now. We're gonna walk around this park, you guys, as far as the eye can see. You see the horizon, trees in the horizon on the other side. Walks around, comes up this way, all the way up here, And you see almost up to towards the high rises. You should see some of it. And then you come back here. And each one of those rounds is about 2.5 kilometers, I think 3 kilometers. Takes about 20 to 25, 30 minutes per round. She says she's going to do 3 of them. So, all right, that's it for today, guys. And we'll see you next time.